a dust storm. The wind is really blowing. I tried recording earlier. My sister was being really rude and just like started saying random stuff which I didn't like. Visibility is really bad. The wind is really high. These are, I believe, caused by storms with straight down winds and something like that. It's awesome. The Weather Channel has actually done stuff with these.
You can't even see the sky now.
Yeah,
oh,
fantastic.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah, we're just right. You can barely see the sky. According to my sister, we're gonna die, but we're not gonna die.
Alright, girls. We're not gonna die. No, we're not dying.
These.
We're gonna sit down and eat your sandwich.
This is a
time like
At
this.
least you can go away full.
The visibility is getting worse. I still can't believe people are driving on the interstate. The Weather Channel has strictly said when these things happen to get off the interstate and wait it out.
Not everyone's ridiculous to the Weather Channel like you.
I know, but most people have actually watched the Weather Channel and have heard. It's awesome. I'm gonna officially be able to say I've been in one of these dust storms and been stuck inside a hotel. The wind, as you can probably see, is extremely blowing. The visibility. Oh wow, wow, it's getting worse. It's getting worse, actually.
Mom!
Okay, before my sister's talking to my mom, I'm gonna stop recording. Goodbye.